my name is Satur, and tonight I will be presenting to you my thesis on ensuring business continuity with automated data backup solutions. First, I would like to thank the following people for supporting and guiding me throughout this research: Mr. John Papers, Mr. Damidian, and my company supervisor, Mr. Amishanjo. FlyAlways is a young, dynamic airline in Suriname. They offer chartered and scheduled flights and cargo services within the Caribbean, Central America, and South America. Their vision is to be the preferred airline with dedication to the highest quality of customer service, delivered with joy, dedication, creativity, respect, and responsibility. With its growth, it is important for the airline to ensure that its technological infrastructure is able to adapt to new requirements that come along. When FlyAlways realized that manually backing up its data every 6 months was time-consuming and not secure, they requested a solution that would support business continuity. With more research, the focus shifted towards a more modern and automated cloud-to-cloud backup solution that not only secures the organization's data, but also provides ease of access to that data and the ability to easily generate data reports that support business growth. The main research objective is to come up with a solution using ITIL-4, IT Service Continuity Management, for securing passenger and company data that meets international airline requirements and ensures business continuity. With departments and employees in Suriname and other neighboring countries, IT plays an important role in keeping services, data security, and communications running smoothly. FlyAlways currently uses a cloud server hosting email accounts, company documentation, passenger information, and a booking engine. The current ICT infrastructure at FlyAlways consists of client devices that communicate with the online hosting server through the provided network. With all documentations and services and email addresses and all that data online being hosted on one server, the storage quickly runs out. This results in FlyAlways having to manually back up data every 6 months. If the storage capacity does run full, that can cause a lag in work processes, communication, services can stop, and that also affects the company's revenue because passengers are flying every day. Everything is time-based, so you can't have like communication. You can't have a delay in work processes. Problem posing. While manually creating a backup of company and passenger data works, it's not an ideal solution. The process of manually backing up data consumes a lot of time. If human error or technical issues occur during this process, it could result in loss of data and or delay in work processes. The central question is, how can IT service continuity management be optimized within FlyAlways to secure data backup processes and ensure business continuity? The sub-questions are, what is ITIL-4 and ITSCM? What is the current ITSCM process within FlyAlways? What are the new requirements and expectations that FlyAlways has for its data to successfully create business continuity? How will implementing an ITSCM process method impact FlyAlways' management decisions and employee workflows? And what are the costs of implementing this new ITSCM process within FlyAlways? The layout summary of this research starts with a problem analysis where information is gathered about a company. A research objective is then defined. Then the problem that is posing is assessed. The central and sub-questions are defined. A quantitative research is then done to analyze the changes needed in logistics and maintenance. The ITSCM process that already exists is assessed. Then a gap analysis of the company's data processes is performed. Then the qualitative research is initiated with technical and online research to determine the best method of optimizing ITSEM within the company. With desk and literature research, documents on existing work processes and systems used are reviewed. A risk analysis of the new ITSEM solution is then performed. Then the case study is formed using an ITIL-4 process set of functionality concept. We then come to a conclusion, give recommendations, and then reflect on the research process. As you can see in the layout summary, both qualitative and quantitative research methods are used. The research framework ITIL-4 is used in this case study. The key benefits of ITIL-4 include a modular structure that encourages continuous improvement, a service value chain that embeds the ITIL framework across the entire organization, new ways of working to improve service efficiency, and international quality standards for IT service delivery. These benefits will help the organization ensure business continuity while implementing new technological advancements. The need for IT service continuity management. IT service continuity management focuses on planning for incident prevention, prediction, and management with the goal of maintaining service availability and performance at the highest possible levels before, during, and after disaster level incidents. If disaster strikes, a good ITSEM plan means essential services will be back up and running quickly. The organization is always prepared for major disasters and can react quickly and appropriately. Everyone across the business understands what will happen in case of disasters and how long they can expect systems to be down. A gap analysis is an analysis of how well the current IT system is performing against the requirements of the company. This gap analysis is focused on the IT infrastructure within FlyAlways for securely and automatically storing company data that is on the cloud server. Analyzing the current state. The current technical infrastructure at FlyAlways consists of client devices that communicate with the online hosting server through the provided network. Client and passenger data is manually downloaded from the cloud server to the local PC where it's stored onto hard drive disks.